Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to create a wind animation like this. If you want to know how, come watch the tutorial. First, create a composition, then use the pen tool to draw the wind path. Adjust the stroke settings to your liking. If the shape has a fill, disable it. Add trim paths to the shape layer. Animate the end property from 0% at the first keyframe to 100% at the last keyframe. Then, animate the start property from 0% at the first keyframe to 100% at the last keyframe. Select those keyframes and press F9, Easy Ease, to smooth out the animation movement. Next, I'm adjusting the taper settings like this to get a pointed look at the start and end. This part is optional, of course, and here are the settings. Feel free to tweak them however you like. Add Gaussian blur to the wind shape for a softer, smoother look. Adjust the settings to your preference. I'm duplicating the layer here just to make the wind effect look fuller. This is just an example of how to create it. Feel free to explore further and get creative with it. That's the tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope you find it useful.